In this video, I'll walk you through how I made $3,000 and $8,000 in affiliate marketing in my second and third month, respectively, using only free traffic and without spending a dime on ads. This affiliate marketing method is literally for everyone, whether you are a beginner or an entrepreneur. Since you do not need to own a website, you do not need any money to start or need to own any product for this business model. You can start this business from the comfort of your home and have the flexibility of choosing any time you wish to work. You can even work just for fewer hours, be your own boss, and make more money than ever before just from this business model. In this video, I will teach you everything you need to know about affiliate marketing, how it works, the different types of affiliate website, how to pick a niche and a high-selling product, and even step-by-step guide on how to make money through an affiliate program as a complete beginner using only free traffic. And if you stay to the end of this video, I will give you a bonus tip that is the key to making thousands of dollars online. So you definitely want to make sure you stay till the end of this video. Now let's start by understanding what affiliate marketing is all about. I know many people still do not know what affiliate marketing is, and you may be wondering the same thing. So I'll be breaking it down for you to understand right now. Affiliate marketing is selling products or services of other brands or businesses. The affiliate earns a commission each time someone makes a purchase through the unique affiliate link associated with their recommendation. Or simply, affiliate marketing is when you sell somebody else's product or services online for a commission. For example, an entrepreneur or an established company may have a product or a catalog of products, either digital or physical, and they are given 40% commission on any sale. They let you get an affiliate link to any of these products to promote on other sites, and whenever someone buys that product through your affiliate link, you will earn 40% of what the buyer pays. This makes it perfect for a beginner, as you do not need to create or own any website. You do not need to create any product or services. You do not need to create a sales page, and you do not need to do customer support or shipping anything. But all you need to do is to share your affiliate link with many people and make money whenever someone buys through your link. One great misconception about affiliate marketing is that it is your job to do the selling. No, it is not your job to do the selling. Rather, it is the company offering the product or services job to do the selling. All you need to do is to provide the traffic. That is why affiliate marketing is one of the easiest businesses that complete beginners can use to start making money online. So let's talk about all the steps you actually need to go from $0 to $11,000 in just 2 months with affiliate marketing. It is so simple. Step number 1, which is choosing the right affiliate niche. When it comes to picking the right niche for your affiliate marketing, many gurus will give you the advice that you should go with what you are passionate about, which I've honestly tried several times, but it didn't work for me. Then I realized that there are some niches that get better results and more money than others. For example, let's say you are passionate about photography, but if there are no good affiliate programs related to the photography niche, or you cannot easily find people who can buy affiliate products or services in this photography niche, or it is just too hard to sell anything in this niche, then it will be a big mistake to go with something that you are passionate about. Instead, you should pick an affiliate marketing offer in a niche that is hot and producing amazing results. I'll give you a list of the 5 hot and most profitable niches that are producing amazing results at this moment. Niche number 1 is the financial niche, which is everything related to money, investing, banking, trading, insurance, and stocks. Niche number 2 is the tech niche, which is everything related to mobile phones, computers, gadgets, virtual reality, machine learning, AI, and software. Niche number 3, the lifestyle niche, which is everything related to nutrition, fashion, travel, beauty, and parenting. The health and fitness niche, which is everything related to weight loss, nutrition, bodybuilding, personal care, health, and wellness. And niche number 5, the cooking niche, which is everything related to cooking, food, and recipe. After picking your niche out of these 5 hot niches which I just gave you, proceed to step number 2, which is to find the right affiliate marketing offer. It is very important to make sure that you find an affiliate offer that is right for you. Make sure not to just focus on high-paying affiliate offer, but to find the affiliate offer and products that will appeal to your audience. Important things to look for when choosing an affiliate program includes: number 1, does the affiliate program have a great market reputation? You don't want to ever work with a partner that people don't trust. Fortunately, some affiliate networks like Share a Sale and ClickBank vet programs and present reliable and profitable merchants you can work with. Number 2, does the affiliate program have a good commission rate? You want to earn a good amount of money for your time and effort. A good number of affiliate programs pay above 10 to 20% commission on each sale. Make sure to pick a rate that will work for you. 3, does the affiliate program has a high earning per click rate? Earning per click rate is an industry-wide metric that shows the average affiliate earning per 100 clicks across a merchant affiliate program. Networks like Share a Sale show you this information for each merchant. For example, Modern Nursery pays a 5% commission, but its EPC is $28.20, which means you could make almost $40 per click. Finding the right affiliate program is critical to running a successful affiliate business. In order to find good affiliate programs, you can either 1. Use affiliate networks or affiliate marketplaces such as ClickBank, Commission Junction, Digistore24, Flex Offers, Share a Sale, Awin, Connect Go, and Amazon Associates program. Or 2, you can easily ask your favorite brands if they have an affiliate program. That way you can promote products that you already appreciate and enjoy. Or 3, you can just go to Google and search for your niche plus affiliate program keywords. For example, let's say you want to find great affiliate programs on an affiliate marketplace, for instance. You can go to digistore24.com and click on Start Now and sign up. You can create your account in just a minute, plus it is free. You can be able to choose from different categories and niches, and if you find a niche where you want to focus on, go ahead to find a product you want to promote and click on Promote Now to generate a unique affiliate link for which you can copy with just a click. Your affiliate link will usually be long and messy, but you need to make it short and clickable. In order to do that, you can use any URL shortener. For example, I will use bit.ly.com. Copy and paste the link in the box and click on shorten. Now your affiliate link will look shorter and better. Step number 3, decide on your traffic sources. People often make the mistake to think you must become a blogger with a dedicated website, which often costs money. Though it will be helpful to have one later, whenever you'll be able to make a decent amount of money to reinvest in your affiliate business in order to scale up, it is not essential. You can start generating affiliate income using free traffic sources such as social media, YouTube, and TikTok. In my case, I picked YouTube because it is great for search engine optimization and has a global audience of over 2 billion people, and TikTok, which requires short video clips that don't necessarily need a professional look and feel. This implies that the process of making videos for TikTok will be easy and less time consuming. You might be thinking, but I don't have a YouTube or a TikTok following. How will I be able to make money? If you don't have a following, now is the time to start building one. That being said, you don't need a huge following to make money. You just need to reach the right audience. Create a brand new TikTok account in your niche and proceed to step number 4, which is create optimized affiliate content. Make sure to create and post short videos that are relevant to your audience regularly in order to grow your audience faster. For example, in my case, I was posting 3 videos every day and also re-uploading similar videos on my YouTube Shorts channel. Focus on creating high-quality content that teaches your audience something. Always bring value to them and do not focus your content around yourself. You are going to be excited to start earning affiliate sales and landing brand deals, but before you can do that, build a highly engaged audience that will pay off in dividend later. Step number 5, grow your audience. You can start growing your TikTok niche by doing the following depending on your niche. 1. Use trending music and sound. Remember to use the sounds while they are still new so your content can get the impressions while it is still hot. 2. Join TikTok challenges, dances, and mashups. Always bring in something new and unique to challenges. If possible, make a better and improved version so others can draw inspiration from. 3. Take content clues from already viral videos and look out for patterns. What sounds, hashtags, and captions did they use? What was captivating in the first few seconds of their videos? And how did people react in the comments? 4. Initiate trends with your content and make it irresistible. Mash up popular sounds and switch up a current challenge. When you create TikTok videos in your niche using some of these hacks, you are bound to go viral. Step number 6 is to start promoting your affiliate link. You can do this on TikTok by including your affiliate links in easily discoverable areas. For example, including your affiliate link in your bio or through a bridge page. Using a popular hashtag if there are other similar affiliate products. Adding an affiliate URL in your content description. Offer a coupon or a unique discount code in the comments. Also promote your affiliate link on your YouTube Shorts channel. Create a community post with a call to action and your affiliate link added. Step number 7. Track and increase your affiliate sales. When your content finally goes viral, capitalize on the content that goes viral to build momentum in pushing traffic to your affiliate offer. 1. Engage with every comment on your profile, welcome new followers, and ask them what they want to see. This will skyrocket engagement with the viral video and increase its reach. Replicate this process in other videos. 2. Implement the product into your videos organically. People will scroll away if you sound like a robotic sales ad. To do affiliate marketing on TikTok, infuse your products organically by doing a story time while using the product, adding it to your daily routine, sharing the product as a reply to a comment asking about it, or doing a product review. Try to be as objective as possible. Essentially, your priority should be to provide valuable information to your audience in an entertaining manner. Then strategically weave the affiliate product into the fun videos. Starting affiliate marketing with no money means building an audience with a free traffic source, as in the case of TikTok. Though TikTok does not restrict organic reach, unlike most social media platforms, it still requires a great deal of consistency. Remain consistent in creating entertaining yet valuable content. When you finally start making money doing affiliate marketing on TikTok, invest in TikTok paid ads to scale even faster. If you want to learn how to make a decent amount of money online, watch this video next.